Welcome back to the channel. I was getting some problem here and I was trying to get up the lower bulb, or yeah, I don't remember the name. This dropped off and now I need to get on a new locker system. Or at least first I have to get something to cut it with, I see. Yeah. Hold it here. A new locker to lock around. I have never used this type before, so I had to just buy it to try it. And to use that one I had to CV boot clamp Pliers. I have never used any of these tools, so I just have to see if I has a chance of getting things around there without making just a big mess. That was the first time I've done it like with this tool at all, and it was a very bad place up there. Let's see, we just take, because I have one more problem. Here is for the other side on the CV joint. The problem is to get in here and be able to get this one to hold on and to be able to get in with this tool and have pressure on it and squeeze it together. When you squeeze them together, they lock the ring harder, and those that is holding in here get squeezed in. And luckily I didn't have to run away and buy even one more. Seems like it got it. I also have to put on new locker rings for the CV boot, because on the other side here, the right side, I was unlucky and dragged out the CV boot for me again. So last time I bought CV boot straps like that, and I get a tool here, but no problem to get in. And I found this system. Toyota use one type of this that you screw together, and that will be much easier to get in. Let's see up here. Much easier to get it in where I'm supposed to get in. This is not perfect because this of course should I get out. But this one I bought at Aliexpress. It's showed up in the post today. Luckily me, so I don't have to fight with the other one in the small space. The other one was not bad. It's nothing like that. But the place is bad. Yeah, I'm going to try that just in a few minutes here now. To look at this sucker to get on the parts there. Yeah, I tried to clean off the CV boot. Here we're going to put on the locker ring. And this is very, very difficult to film. I'm trying to test the new tool here. Get in there and screw the locker nut together inside here. If I can film it for you guys or not, I'm not sure, because A lot of things. Du må konsentrere meg.
Ok, jeg går inn da.
Ja. Beklager. Ja, du vet han skal dra straks han kjenner han. Så hvis du skal lage noe til han som har laget så klart, så han bare kan ta det med seg. Ja, ok. Difficult to get my arms in there and for you guys to see at the same time. It's more or less complex. I have to see. Now the ring is hanging there. I have to get in the tool and put on pressure. See if I can twist it a little up. Yeah, I can't hold the camera and do it. Just sorry. Yeah, actually I managed. I see it's good completely together here now. I see I should have had a 10mm ratchet type, so I can just instead of this ordinary 10mm. But I didn't know the size and anything when I ordered it. It didn't stand. So, but it seems like it get it. So that's happy days. I'm happy I bought this one for fixing a lot of things because it was good. But this one, to get in and fix this, much easier. I could relax more. Just to get my ratchet version in 10mm to have together with that one. Then everything will be happy days. Now that should be on there. I need to clean up a little, I see. And then just waiting for the linkage arm that's supposed to come in the post today. Not long time to wait, hopefully.